welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the teeth whitening kit with LED lights, non-sensitive teeth whitening pen with tooth whitening gel, and soft mouse tray. And I want to give it a shout out to Boyson from AGOAL marketing team for sending me this so I could do this review for you guys. So be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you guys could check out this item. Plus there's a additional 10% off. So it is safe and non-sensitive. This professional tooth whitening kit contains 12 teeth whitening gel and 3 of the soothing gel. And these are made of safe, natural, gentle, and effective ingredient that tends due to whiten your teeth. So the cool blue LED accelerate light that deliver faster whitening result. Your teeth could be whiter 1 to 2 shades after first using the teeth whitening kit. You will see a significant effect after 7 days. So you need to place it with your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes a day. You use it at home, office, or when you travel. And it comes worry-free. So let's go and then unbox this and show you guys. And here's the product description. It says advanced teeth whitening set, professional effects, safe and effective. And this is the brand right here, AGOAL. So the kit contains 12 teeth whitening gel, 3 milliliter. 3 of the soothing gel, 3 milliliter, and then 1 of the dental floss, 50 meter, 1 blue LED whitening lamp, 1 dental tray, 1 manual. So keep this away from children. Avoid touching the eyes with whitening gel. If you touch it accidentally, please rinse your eyes with water immediately. This product is used to whitening teeth only. Please remove the battery if not used for a long time. And here's the specification for the lamp. It's a DC 5 volt, 400 to 600 MCD. Color is blue. So use times up to 48 hours. Shelf life is 2 years, and this is made in China. So it's a nice packaging. It's seal with this Ziploc bag. Wow, they give you two of this lithium ion CR2032 battery, 3 volt. And this is the tray, and also come the case. Nice. And this is pretty soft. So you need to bite your upper and lower teeth into this tray, but you're gonna put the gel in here and then bite on it. And then you're gonna use this blue light. You insert the battery over here. Also, you use 2 of the battery. They give you 2 more extra. So you need to remove this plastic right here. Okay, this is prevent from draining the battery. So it was in here. So after you remove it, be sure the positive is upward, facing outward, and then just stack them up. Need to lock it back up. So after you apply the gel and everything, it has a label right here, whitening gel, okay? And then the blue one is desensitizing gel. And then you press this, the blue will activate. And also come with this cap. And then here's the instruction booklet. It's also the tooth shape guide. So you need to match what colors your teeth, so you know after you use it. Like for example, if you have 4, and then after you use it for 7 days, you should bring down to number 2. And then here's the floss. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.